Hey guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to my kitchen. I am Siobhan. If you are here today, you are going to learn the recipe of the day. So today we are going to make an egg white frittata, something simple, something healthy and light that you can make for breakfast for yourself or for your family. So if you'd like to learn how it's made, please stick around and follow along. Please like the video below and subscribe to my channel. First things first, we want to make sure we have our hair pulled back. You don't want any hair in your food while you're cooking. My hair is too long to pull back with just a headband to keep pulled up into a ponytail, so I have to pull it up into a whole bun. It's a process, but that's so myself and my family does not have any hair in our food. So we're gonna get all our ingredients together and keep following along. So now we have all of our ingredients and we are going to start. We have our butter for our pan, we have our egg whites, we have our mozzarella cheese that will go on our egg whites, and then for the salad it's going to go on top. We have olive oil, lemon juice, tomato, avocado, cucumber, which is a regular cucumber, baby arugula, or you can use spinach. And we also have the green onion, oregano, salt, pepper, garlic powder. So I always like to have these three main things in any of the meals that I cook. Any food that I cook, I always season salt, pepper, garlic powder, oregano, and whatever else I have. So we have all of our ingredients and let's get started. So we're going to go ahead and add the baby arugula to our mixing bowl. Once we have enough, again, this is just for one serving. So once we have enough of the arugula, we can go ahead and start working on our tomato. You just need a couple slices. We're going to dice it up. Maybe half a tomato is about right. About one serving. We're going to dice that up in little squares. Go ahead and add that to our mixing bowl as well. And I'm using a Roma tomato. If you have cherry tomatoes, you can go ahead and add those. They taste just as good. The recipe that I had before, we used the cherry tomatoes. So I have my cucumber now. I was going to add a couple slices of that, probably about 5-6 slices. If you want to do less, they're about a quarter of an inch. So we'll go ahead and slice that up and add that to our bowl along with our green onion. Let's go ahead and dice him, little slices. We're going to use the white and the green parts of the green onion. So if you don't like too much of the onion, you can also use shallots. Shallots are good as well with a sweet taste to it. So we're going to add about half a teaspoon of salt, garlic powder, probably another half teaspoon of garlic powder. I don't really measure, I just do everything for flavor. We just added black pepper, and now we're adding oregano. Black pepper with probably a pinch, oregano about 4 teaspoons of oregano. Some lemon juice, we added about half a teaspoon, maybe a tablespoon of the lemon juice. Half a tablespoon of the olive oil, and if you got in the beginning, the intro, we need vinegar also, so that's probably about a tablespoon or half a tablespoon of vinegar. So we're going to make sure we mix everything well. My avocado that I showed you in the beginning was bad. I found a couple of good pieces, so I don't have myself cutting the avocado in there, but I did have avocado. What was good of my avocado. So right now we're melting our butter in our frying pan. So this is about half a tablespoon of butter. I use unsalted. You can use salted if you do. You can add less salt to your food. So I added a half cup of the egg whites, liquid egg whites, which is about 4 ounces. So we're just going to make sure that that's cooking on medium heat. So we can go through, use my spatula to make sure our edges don't stick. Yes, I am using a non-stick frying pan, but I still like to make sure that my edges don't stick, even with using the added butter in the pan. So I'm just going to go ahead and cook that down. If you have bubbles, you can go ahead and chop them up with the spatula. Just make sure that all the egg whites are getting, they're cooked well. So I don't flip it. You can flip the egg white if you like. I just kind of run everything to the sides, make sure our back is brown. It is browning, so it's going to keep moving around the pan, make sure it's not sticking. So our egg white is cooked. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of the mozzarella cheese to our pan. So we're going to go ahead and just spread that around with our spatula. Make sure it's evenly distributed on the egg white so you have eggs everywhere. Once it's distributed around the egg, we're going to go ahead and top it with the lid so we can just melt the cheese. I like to have my cheese nicely melted, and once that's done, we can go ahead and take it off the stove and plate it. And we're going to add our salad mixture. Just give it an extra stir to make sure that all of our ingredients are well mixed. Let's go ahead and top that on your egg whites with the mozzarella cheese. All right, looks like we have everything topped, and there you have it. Have our egg white frittata with the arugula salad. All right, there we have it, guys. We have the egg white frittata topped with the arugula salad on top. So if you enjoyed this video today, please like the video down below and subscribe to my channel for more recipes coming soon. I hope you enjoy it, and buen provecho.